What is this animal? Cat! Great job! She lives in our homes as a pet. That means she loves to purr when you pet her and is very clean. What is his name? Dog! You are right! He is man's best friend. That means he wags his tail and guards your family with love. Did you know this? Lion! Well done! He lives in the sunny savanna. That means he is the king of the jungle and protects his pride. Can you guess him? Fish! Perfect! She stays under the blue water. That means he uses his fins to swim and breathe in the ocean. Where is he hiding? Bear! You found him! He lives in the big, dark forest. That means he loves to eat sweet honey and sleep all winter. What is this animal? Cow! Great job! She lives on the green farm. That means she lives in a herd and provides fresh milk for us. What is his name? Frog! You are right! He is a great jumper. That means he lives near the pond and catches flies with his long tongue. Did you know this? Bird! Well done! He lives in a nest high in the trees. That means he uses his wings to fly and sings a happy song. Can you guess him? Goat! Perfect! He stays on the Rocky Mountains. That means he is a brave climber and loves to eat green grass. Where is he hiding? Deer! You found him! He lives in the quiet woods. That means he has big ears to listen for danger and runs very fast. What is this animal? Hen! Great job! She lives in the farmyard. That means she wakes up early and lays fresh eggs for your breakfast. What is his name? Pig! You are right. He is a very smart animal. That means he loves to roll in the mud to keep his skin cool. Did you know this? Ant! Well done! He lives in a busy anthill. That means he is very strong and carries food back to his colony. Can you guess him? Bee! Perfect! He stays in a cozy beehive. That means he flies to flowers to make sweet honey for everyone. Where is he hiding? Snake! You found him! He lives in the grass and rocks. That means he slithers on his belly because he has no legs. What is this animal? Sheep! Great job! She lives on the grassy hills. That and gives us soft wool for clothes. What is his name? Crab! You are right! He lives on the sandy beach. That means he has a hard shell and walks sideways near the waves. Did you know this? Horse! Well done! He stays in a farm stable. That means he is a fast runner and loves to gallop in the fields. Can you guess him? Tiger! Perfect! He lives in the thick jungle. That means he has beautiful stripes to hide in the tall grass. Where is he hiding? Wolf! You found him! He lives in the cold mountains. That means he lives in a pack and howls to talk to his family.
What is this animal? Owl! Great job!
He is the silent watcher of the night. That means he stays awake while we sleep to hunt for food.
What is his name?
Mouse! You are right! He lives in a tiny hole in the wall. That means he is very small and loves to nibble on cheese. Did you know this? Shark! Well done! He stays in the deep blue ocean. That means he is a fast swimmer with very sharp teeth. Can you guess him? Zebra! Perfect! He lives in the grassy plains. That means he has black and white stripes to confuse his enemies. Where is he hiding? Whale! You found him! He lives in the cold sea. That means he is the biggest animal and breathes through a blowhole.
What is this animal?
Rabbit! Great job! He lives in a burrow underground. That means he has long ears and loves to eat crunchy carrots. What is his name? Elephant! You are right! He lives in the savannah. That means he is the largest land animal and has a very long trunk. Did you know this? Camel! Well done! He lives in the hot desert. That means he can walk for days without water and has a hump on his back. Can you guess him? Panda! Perfect! He lives in the mountains of China. That means he is fluffy and spends his day eating green bamboo. Where is he hiding? Fox! You found him! He lives in a den in the forest. That means he is very clever and has a big bushy red tail.
What is this animal?
Monkey! Great job! He lives high in the jungle trees. That means he is very playful and swings from branch to branch. What is his name? Turtle! You are right! lives in the African plains. That means he has a very long neck to reach leaves on tall trees. Can you guess him? Parrot! Perfect! He lives in the tropical jungle. That means he has colorful feathers and can copy the words you say. Where is he hiding? Spider! You found him! He lives in a web in the garden. That means he has 8 legs and is an expert at catching bugs.
What is this animal? Bat! Great job! He lives in dark caves. That means he is the only mammal that flies and sleeps hanging upside down. What is his name? Hippo! You are right. He stays in the river water. That means he is very heavy and opens his big mouth to show his teeth. Did you know this? Rhino! Well done! He lives in the tall grass. That means he has thick skin and a very strong horn on his nose. Can you guess him? Koala! Perfect! He lives in the trees of Australia. That means he is a sleepy animal that loves eating eucalyptus leaves. Where is he hiding? Cheetah! You found him! He lives in the open plains. That means he is the fastest runner and has spots all over his body. What is this animal? Kangaroo! Great job! He lives in the wild bush. That means he jumps very high and carries his baby in a cozy pouch. What is his name? Donkey! You are right! He lives on the farm. That means he is very hardworking and can carry heavy loads on his back. Did you know this? Rooster! Well done! He lives in the farmyard. That means he wakes up early and calls out to start the day. Can you guess him? Squirrel! Perfect! He lives in the park trees. That means he is very fast and loves to hide nuts for the winter. Where is he hiding? Skunk! You found him! He lives in the woods. That means he has black and white fur and can make a very smelly spray. What is this animal? Seal! Great job! He lives on the icy coast. That means he is a great swimmer and loves to clap his flippers. What is his name? Otter! You are right! He stays in the river. That means he loves to float on his back and hold hands with his friends. Did you know this? Lizard! Well done! He stays on rocks in the sun. That means he has a long tail and can climb walls very quickly. Can you guess him?
eyes and